Go back up. All right, we rolling. We rolling back up.
Bodega, all 2020.
So we here at the motherfucking McQueen Aftermath with the Hall of Famer, the iconic, legendary Mother Buff. And shit went down tonight. It was a lot of licks. It was a lot of ticks. With a lot of get back with a lot of bitches. You know what I'm saying? But we here, we gonna figure out what the fuck is going on. And I need y'all to do what? Walk with me. So let's go.
Hello, Twan, behind the judges panel.
Shout out to the bodega.
If you can hear my voice, Twan, make your way behind the judges panel.
Yeah. How you doing? How you doing?
Anybody else?
I'm doing amazing. I'm doing excellent. Period. So you walk face tonight, right? We in the camera with an aftermath. How do you feel about your battle?
Girl, that little bitch that paid for their teeth, get after me.
They know what?
A bitch that paid for their teeth, get after me. Natural. So next, we talk about Butch Queen face. Let's get into non-structure, no procedures, on nothing, no teeth, no nothing.
What happened?
But
And period. You said what you said.
I did.
And you stand on that, right?
I do.
Okay,
The
go back.
bodegas thought they
So,
hated
hold on, wait, this is my show.
But how you was about to fight?
Come back, hold on.
But it's my episode because she trying me.
Who you about to fight?
But no shade.
The one with the synthetic
The next
wig.
time that sleeves walk, girl, I got
Hold on. Bring it here. What you say?
the next time that sleeves walk, I got you. No
You got
shade.
it?
I got you.
$1,000 got a costume ball?
That's mine.
That's yours? Ooh. Okay.
New set.
Okay.
Can I bring it back?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, baby. What happened tonight?
And I'm probably for the bodegas. I like the bodegas look cute in their warriors.
Why you was about to fight? No, it's not about the bodega. Why you about to fight?
Because somebody did me like this.
Who?
Synthetic Bugatti.
Oh, damn. Synthetic Bugatti. Damn.
Go, let's go.
Walk with me.
I'm cool where I'm at. I probably cool where I'm at.
Is this the aftermath? Hold on. I want you to put your foot down. Because I didn't give you some too. Homegirl said $1,000 is hers.
Who?
And she said her.
Wayne.
And she said that when she sees you on May 12th, Grand Prize is going home with her.
What the Wayne
How you
said?
feel about that?
What the Wayne said?
Hold on.
Look country.
Where the Wayne said? Now hold on.
Look country.
I want to Now hold on. Now hold on. Now hold on.
What?
Now hold on. She said it was going home with her. How do you feel about it? When's the date? May 12th.
Also, too, Hendrix, make sure you pick something up
May
on your way
12th.
out the door.
May 12th, save the clip.
Getting everything, camera, getting everything.
May 12th,
Look like a woman. All of it.
save the clip.
All of it.
On May 12th,
Smile.
do a smile.
Check the before and after.
Be for real. Before, after.
Yeah,
Girl,
check the
please.
before and after.
On May 12th, for real.
Yeah,
For real.
come out. Come out.
No shade.
Come out.
Walk with me.
Come out.
Walk with me. This not the door. Walk with me. So things are heating up and motions is going.
On May 12th,
Can I get
Check
any
the clip.
any male figure?
I'm so fucking, I cannot be more serious.
If you're a man,
It's not a KiKi scene night. Y'all are gonna see not sleeves, 007. Isaiah Miyake Mugler will be on the floor. That I'm not
as a man,
playing.
open the door.
Bring any hoe that y'all have. It's a done deal. I'm so serious. I'm not playing.
Hey,
Cornerline. I'm drunk. Leave me alone.
hey, man, we need male figures. Grab a barricade. Yeah, take right out this door right here.
They need cleaners. So I wanted to get my sister.
They need men in jeans to come get
Now,
to come pick
she got on white toes like she worked for construction workers. So I want to get my girl.
They need men that rap.
Lil Kim will be proud.
They said they looking for Ice Spice new feature to come help them out.
Let's go outside.
Shout out to Lola Brooks.
You can take them down to the U.
Shout out to Lola.
I love my sister, y'all. I love my sister.
Let's go outside.
Come on, let's go.
Right here. Where you going? Where you going?
The barricades. Y'all got women carrying barricades.
Wait. Get the McQueen.
Jacory, hold on. Shout out to you. Shout out to your ball. We're at the aftermath. All hail the motherfucking McQueen, the queen of the queens, bitch. Converse is kind, the girl of the girls, the thing of the things. Y'all hit me with this. Ooh, I'm kind. This is my leg. Thank you, Ariana Grande, Nicki Minaj, Big Friday. Thank you. Go ahead and stream the remix of motherfucking Ice Spice and Nicki Minaj, bitch. Diana. You should have like on my track. You want to freestyle?
No, I don't freestyle.
Girl, I got to freestyle.
I don't freestyle.
Okay, because I freestyle.
But I was trying to help you with.
No, I got it. It was coming. You know, I'm a little bit, but it was coming. Thank you. What's your name?
Andy.
What's your name? Okay. E-X-X. There you go. What happened? Oh, here come Indira. Hold on. Here come Indira. Here she come.
First of all,
Direct the camera.
Indira has been on her peacemaker shit. I know. Move. I know last year. I know last year y'all felt like a lot of things about Indira, but this year I was very peacemaker.
So she's very on her. Akumbaya. And you know that's what I'm saying. You know we on that. So who next? Yo, what you got to say to the people tonight? What house you in?
Heavy on the beat!
Oh, that's my side.
You see what I'm saying? Please! What she said? You know it's not. You felt it like no, hold on. Now hold on.
But I am talking about the juice.
Now hold on. Why you gotta reach down?
I'm trying to see something. You can ball on.
It's not paid.
Oh, it's not.
It's not paid. What you say, Julie? It's
Why
not.
not? Oh, I know you ain't talking about. You do.
Yeah.
You do.
It's not paid.
Hold on. You understand what's bad against the wheel.
Now, first of all,
That's my side. Go ahead.
why would a girl like me ever be padded for a ball?
Shoes in that room right there.
How you doing? I'm good. I do. It's about me. It's about me. Shout out to y'all. Shout out, baby. Shout out to me. Y'all know what we saying. We going away with it. So shout out to me and the cameras on me. So again, we're here at the aftermath. Who's in the car? Hello. How y'all feeling tonight? Oh, y'all kicking? Y'all mumbling and cackling? Y'all mumbling and cackling?
Camera on me.
So how do y'all feel?
If I would have walked tonight, the girls wouldn't have it.
Which category?
OTA performance.
Okay, performance.
300.
Who you want to be?
Please.
Thank you.
I'm 20, 40 motherfucking 80.
But y'all
20, 40 motherfucking 80.
Can you talk to me? What happened? How you feel about tonight? Y'all won. Y'all beat the seniors. How y'all feel about that? Hello? No, hello.
Back up at my girl car.
Show the camera.
Please back up at my girl
Show the
car.
camera. What you
Excuse
want
me.
tonight?
Nothing.
What you want tonight?
Spectator realness.
With the nipple out with the nip slip.
Yeah.
Y'all playing.
What you
Real
want
from
tonight?
Queen.
Sex siren.
And what else?
I would like to tell
And what else?
I would like to tell my story. Back up here.
I got it. What happened? We good.
I got to tell my story.
I got it.
My girl said
I
our
got it.
favorite.
You put out this sexy ass fine ass picture of me. What happened in realness? You put out this sexy ass fine ass picture of me.
Can you show the camera?
From 2018. I got dreads now. Gay. I got dreads. Wait, hold on, Pat. You ain't weird? ATL. Hold on. What's the difference? What's the difference?
But it's about me.
But you know, it was good seeing Sugar Bear out. But you know what's crazy though? Look, Buff. You know what's crazy though? I respect it. It's only the game. Oh, it wasn't.
What's up? I just want to say that the girls came out tonight and it was cute. The girls came out tonight. It was cute. The panel was cute.
Yeah.
We gave our own opinions.
You sure?
Everybody respect for the most part. For the most part.
Say it again though.
They gave their own opinions.
Yeah.
It don't mean we agree.
Yeah, right.
I study my categories.
But I gave my own opinion.
Okay.
I chopped the bitches.
You sure? And you stand on that?
I said, well,
You stand on that?
if it deserved it.
When we come back to this, I want to make sure you stand on that.
You know I am.
Bianca?
Where's Kojo? I stand on all my chops.
Sissy, come on.
Somebody pay Trina.
I'll just pay you.
Because what? These are my kids.
take somebody pastry?
What's that? What's going on?
Nothing. Walk.
So
introduce
hold on,
yourself.
wait. So both of them introduce themselves. We are what?
I'm like a bodega.
And you're what?
Bodega.
And you're what?
I'm a Hall of Famer.
A what?
A bodega.
Period.
And I'm a legend. Word.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah.
Bodega.
Period. That's
I
my
don't know what the fuck going on.
Yeah, these are
And I was really cute.
We all of the year.
A lot of girls.
We are of the year. Yeah.
Chazzy said he want to wake it up.
What do you want to wake up? Yeah. What happened? I want to know what happened.
A lot happened.
What happened tonight? Let's talk about it. Everybody. In general. Let's talk about it. Let's go down. In general. Let's go down. What you want?
The judges was a fool.
Okay. What's your half? Hold on. What judges?
Every half.
Okay. Both half. Take it. What half?
I'm not deaf, baby. You can hear that.
I look cute on my hair. Which half?
Look cute on her half.
But who?
Everybody. As a judge, you got the camera roll like KiKi.
Yes.
As a judge, read your categories. Know your categories.
Okay.
If you don't know what you're looking at, why the fuck are you up there?
And who you feel like that's towards though? Which one?
Don't say I don't feel like Bolo should have been.
Who?
Bolo.
Who's Bolo?
The one that took the boy from Facebook said he didn't see it. He said he didn't get face.
Which house he in? Bugatti?
Bugatti.
Keep it real. Keep it real.
That was so unfair.
We paid for a table and we ain't getting no hors d'oeuvres.
Y'all got candy.
You said what?
We didn't get no hors d'oeuvres.
They stole the candy.
All hail the candy.
Y'all had Valentine's. Y'all had
All hail the
Valentine's.
candy.
You want to do it? Tony over there.
Where's Tony at? Let's go. Walk with me. Where's she at? Right there. What's right? What's right? What's the right spot?
Who y'all looking for?
Keep going.
She always playing me on camera.
Hold on, do this. Move your arm.
Baby, when I say I can't see nothing but a light, but I hope the highlighter is highlighted.
All you have to catch is the what? The light. So how do you
Excuse me. We have breaking news here. We want the iconic point of view. All icons.
The iconic
We want icons and legends point of view.
Put it right here.
How do you feel tonight?
Hell no, not this bitch.
I want you.
She can do it on live. Who about what?
I want you.
How about what?
Oh, please.
Cause this bitch scared to battle me.
I
want both. This bitch is
Watch your feet.
and I am.
We two different
Keep your
bitches.
feet down, though.
What you wanna do?
Keep your feet
What
down.
ball?
Pump the beat.
That's
Right now.
Girl,
you gonna do?
I'm gonna beat if both of y'all.
In the 16.
So this is what I'm saying. Bitches won't smoke, but never gonna pass the blunt.
Please. Bitches ain't want OTA tonight.
That was a cute little move. I was touching it, but you ain't walk either.
Y'all take Look, sit down. It's no man.
That's what I'm saying.
This is what she do.
This is what I do. But a bitch is about it.
Look at her feet.
The bitch is
Look at her feet. I always got her feet in somebody's face.
She padded.
No, we talking about these right here. These. Feet. Look at them.
even when I, girl, who is that, bro?
Come on, MC Deborah.
She knew.
She did.
MC Deborah.
She knew.
Girl, she got.
We gon'
Tay wanted me.
excuse us.
Tay, if you want to feel my ass.
They knew. They knew.
They knew. I like ass.
Tay walk cunt versus cunt, but want to walk pad versus pad. Cause this motherfucker's always somebody's ass.
Had I
But
been
at the end of the day,
Had I been walking tonight, you know what it
Mackenzie.
is.
Did y'all get a good glimpse of that?
Yes.
BBL?
Yes.
I was so drunk.
Never. They can walk
BBL.
away any bitch against body and they will gag.
BBL.
Cause they can't do what I do. But tell Akasha when she's gonna get on the floor, and if she want it at her ball, she can get it.
Cranberry juice going away.
For your grandma,
When they call my name, just see me.
baby. What shoe? What shoe?
That's it.
What shoe?
That's it.
Backbreaker or break
it.
dance?
That's it.
Backbreaker or break
That's
dance?
it.
Backbreaker.
When they call my name,
We want to see y'all on the floor.
when they call my
Do you want to see me
name,
on the floor?
who is
I don't
that?
mind.
Do you want to see
I'll
me on
see
the
you
floor?
right now.
Do you want to?
You always trying to get me on camera, girl. The next time you get an LSS, it's over for you. The next time you get an LSS,
Do you want
it's over for you.
Girl, you do curl. You not.
These girls talk a lot.
You were supposed to see me at the Freaknik bar.
Your wig will attach. Your wig
Why
will
did Jeannie
attach.
say against Mother Jeannie?
They wigs will attach. They can't fuck with me.
Right here, get this, get this.
I'm gonna get you. What is that?
you at Freaknik with your team. I came for you.
The wigs won't attach.
It's gonna make it spicy. She knew.
And they're still not attached.
You still
That's
ain't
what
out
I'm
in the field.
saying.
It's all this and not the
Bitch.
field. You ain't out in the field.
Afro.
You ain't out in the field.
Fronto.
She's not out in the field. She ain't out in the field.
Do you want it? I'm asking you a question. Before you rumble into this jungle,
no bitch
do
and
you
no
want it?
status.
It's good.
Who is this?
No bitch, no status.
He's here.
Don't care. Next time you get an LSS, it's over for you.
Girl, I'm gonna put a wet floor sign out for you.
Don't play.
I'm gonna put a wet floor sign
You
out for
talking about for
you.
you? Do I want it?
You
for
can't
you.
handle it.
For
You
you.
just got here.
For you.
She just got here.
I just got here.
He just got
a
here
long time, a little while ago.
and still can't fuck with me.
And probably
We can go around this whole room now. Back up. Now you come
let's just call
forward.
the tea.
So what do you want
Let's
to
just
do?
call the tea.
What do you want to do?
I was shopping and I was the first bitch to raise hands.
But she didn't stand on it.
Absolutely, I did.
She didn't stand on
Every
it.
time.
She didn't stand on it.
I'm not
She
being
hates
shady.
It's about a chop, but you have to stand on this
She
motherfucker.
hates it. She hates it a little bit.
At the end of the day, H-A-L-L. It's a hall that many bitches can't walk down. It's what I'm saying. Why the rest of these hoes at?
Well, they left girl I had. Yeah, I came to play tonight.
Whole interview got
That's what I came to do. I came to play tonight.
Let me go get. Hold that second, be catty with. Come on, walk with me. Walk with me.
You say Ryan?
Medusa! 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 We need to. Medusa!
No camera time.
I don't want camera. Medusa! Wait. What happened tonight? This is an exclusive interview. The girl said she was in the back and her bustier. The nipple was slipping, the wig was lifting, but Medusa wasn't there. So what happened? No, sister, what happened? Talk to the camera. The people need an explanation. What happened? Sister, no. What happened? Okay, we're gonna take this as the lesson learned, right? And I want all the Medusa supporter know the wig won't tight tonight. The titties was falling, and the bitch was drunk. If y'all don't know, Medusa, get it back. Give your supporters a word, bitch. Hey, y'all. No, bitch, get them a word. Huh? Girl, I should have lied. Girl, the wig won't tight. The wig won't tight.
Out of here. My sister, did you look and see who put these? Oh, no, come on. Turn it off.
No, we're not.
Turn it off. Girl, she done.
Shout out to Carter Life.
Don't shout out
Subscribe. Carter Life.
Carter.
Subscribe.
Who is Carter?
Push your notifications on because myself,
Blue Ivy Carver.
as well as the rest of these bitches have clips coming to you. Carter Life
Catch
is
us May
about
12th,
that life.
Black Cinema.
May 12th at this
bitch.
ball, Akasha, where the coins will come out, where the girls come out.
Cash, no cash app.
No cash app. However,
The envelope's already filled.
when you bitch, hold on, lift it up, lift it up.
Envelope
Lift it all the way up.
A month before the ball.
When you bitches come out, let me tap this screen. I'ma be looking, bitch, and I'ma be lurking. And if any bitch want it,
They can get it.
say it one more time.
They can get it.
Here he go.
You picked your character already, serious? Because I know you coming for that fight.
Girl, please. Don't know how wants.
You don't want
Get your
no smoke.
motherfucker. I'm for real. You done got really beside yourself.
May 12th, Black Cinema, Atlanta, Georgia. Y'all holla at me. DeAndre Payne on Facebook. Follow me for all the deets, all the info. You know, y'all do y'all thing.
No, I'm not.
Again, DeAndre Payne on Facebook. Follow me, add me on Facebook. And come on out. Biannual. This is a biannual birthday ball. I do it every 2 years.
I'll be there to wake
come on
up.
out.